Hi, boys and girls. So the next thing we're going to be working with in grammar is abbreviations. We're going to be learning what an abbreviation is and the different types of abbreviations. We use abbreviations every day when we are talking. Some of them we've seen in math, and then some for even our street signs. So an abbreviation is a shorter way to say something. For most of them you still say the same thing, but it's a shorter way of writing it. It's important to know that at the end of each abbreviation, you always have a period. So you can see if each of our abbreviations, there is a period at the end. So the things that we abbreviate are our types of people, our days of the week, our months of the year, our addresses, our measurements, our time. So our measurements and time we do see during math. Our days of the week we could see every day. Our months of the year are also pretty common. The least common ones that we probably talk about are the addresses. So we're going to go over those first. That is your street, your avenue, road, court, lane, highway, and drive. So when you are writing maybe your address on a piece of paper, if you're sending a letter, you can abbreviate it. For street, you just write ST with the period at the end. And you can see each of those examples. Now, when you do write your abbreviation for your address, people, days of the week, and months of the year, since those always have capital letters when you're talking about them, they also need to have your capital letter in your abbreviation. Now, you look at UC, measurement, and time. Those don't need to have a capital letter, but they do still have the period at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a few examples, and you can use your chart above to help you. So we have down at the bottom, the pool is 6 feet deep. Now think to yourself, what word can we abbreviate? So I see the word feet, and I know feet is a measurement. So I'm going to circle feet, and the way you could rewrite feet is just to write F-T, and then we can't forget our period at the end. So then we have Friday, May 13th. Now, May is a short month, so there is really no abbreviating it. So you would keep May the same. But if it was a longer month like February or January, you would use the first 3 letters of that month with the period. So we would keep May the same, but I do see a day of the week there, so we can change our day of the week to abbreviate Friday. You would just write capital F-R-I. And then we also always need our period at the end. So go ahead and try Dr. Steve. You can pause the video, try it yourself, maybe look up at the title of people, and then find the abbreviation. And then you can find Miller Drive, which is going to be under our addresses. So go ahead, pause the video, and try those 2 out. And I'm going to do them right over here. Once you're done, you can play the video, and you can find the correct answer. So for Dr. Steve, it is a person. So we see doctor is DR, capital D, lowercase r, period. And for drive, it is very similar. Drive is also DR. But we know that when we're talking about a location, DR would be drive. And we know if we're talking about a person, DR would be a doctor. All right, so go ahead and do your Voyages page that goes along with this. The page numbers and the directions. If you have any questions, you know you can always reach out to me. Thank you, boys and girls.